to give you all of that. So sit back and relax. This is Cinema News Weekend Edition. The hottest love team in showbiz is not stopping anytime soon, and the fans just love it. Recently, Kim and Gerald had their StoryCon for their much-awaited big movie comeback. Take a look. From teeny boppers to full-blown celebrities, now after the success of their unforgettable serye, Tayong Dalawa, Kim and Gerald braced themselves in taking their partnership to even greater heights. This is Kimerald, the next level. Kim and Gerald, next level on the big screen.
Kaya gagawin namin yung lahat na makakaya namin. And yung nakita nila sa Tayong Dalawa, mas dodoblehin pa namin doon.
Excited at nakakatuwa dahil yun, kami pa rin kasama sa movie.
Excited kasi akala ko pag-iwalay na yung love team namin. Ayun, binigyan kami ng movie for 2010.
Kim and Gerald, the next level of heroism. Kim recounts that fateful Saturday afternoon when Gerald braved the wrath of Ondoy.
Noong araw na yun, tinatawagan ko siya kasi nasa TV na binaha na yung Vista Real. And tinatawagan ko, walang sumasagot. Tapos out of reach, sabi ko, naku, baka nasa bubong na yun ng bahay niya. Tapos tawag ako, nagpa-text ako ng text. Tapos nung gabi, sabi niya, okay naman daw siya. Tapos sabi niya, naku, ang dami kong niligtas na buhay kung alam mo lang. Sabi niya sa akin. Sabi ko, hala, nag-swimming ka? Sabi niya, oo. Ganyan. Tapos hindi naman ako nag-alala kasi alam ko naman kaya niya yun.
Although flattered by the number of good write-ups, Gerald shrugs off the incident and admits he's not comfortable being branded a hero.
Tuwing tinatawag ko na hero or bayani, nakakahiya talaga. Kasi yung mga tunay na heroes, yung mga tunay na bayani, hanggang ngayon andyan pa rin sila sa labas, tumutulong pa rin, dinideploy pa rin nila yung mga pagkain. So, sila po dapat, tatawagin ng hero, hindi pa ako. Nagkataon lang na picturean ako, na artista ako, kaya nalaman pa na lahat ng tao kung ano yung ginawa ko. Pero, at the same time, syempre nakakataba po talaga ng puso dahil sinasabi nila tumulong ako. And that's what I try to do, just to try to help.
Kim and Gerald, the next level in their acting and in their image. The charming duo is beginning to shed a bit of their cutesy image in exchange for a sexy and daring one. We caught them at the pictorial of their upcoming sizzling Metro body cover.
Medyo daring, pero hindi naman ganun ka-daring kasi yung mga damit namin dito, kumbaga fashionable naman. Extra special siya ngayon dahil ito yung huling issue ng anniversary, 20th anniversary nila.
Maraming skin ang ipapakita namin dito. Puro legs. Tapos parang first time ko nung ginawa sa buong pictorial mode ko.
Siguro nakita nila napanood nila yung episode na yun eh. Kaya in-invite nila kami. Pero siguro na-inspired sila.
Inspired sila sa pictorial. I love scene.
Pero syempre, habang tumatanda na rin kami, dahil yun nga, tumatanda. So, yung mga ginagawa namin ngayon, mas matured sa ginagawa namin last year. Pero, kumbaga, ano pa rin, Kim Gerald pa rin na kung paano kami nung una, ganun pa rin, pero mas matured na konti.
Kim and Gerald, the next level in friendship.
Minsan na lang kami nagkakasama kasi siya maraming schedules din and ako nag-shooting din ako ng movie with Angelica. So parang hindi na nagtutugma yung schedule namin, hindi na kami nagkakasama. Minsan na lang.
Parang lagi pa rin tayo nakikita. Siyempre, hindi mababawasan yung friendship namin dahil lang hindi kami nakikita. Dahil tinetext ko pa rin, tawagan. So, imposible mababawasan.
Yung real score daw ba?
Yung real score?
Ewan ko.
Wala naman kasing real score eh. Ito na yung real score, which is what you get.
If you can't get enough of Kimerald, make sure to grab the complete 20-volume DVD set of their romantic teleserye, Tayong Dalawa, available in stores nationwide. I'm a big Kimerald fan myself, so I'm so excited for this movie. Meanwhile,